I'm going to experiment with a different kind of smoothie. It intrigues me. The recipe is in the Start Here book that came with my Vitamix blender. This is an avocado, cucumber, and lime smoothie. I have no idea what it's going to taste like. There's nothing in it to make it sweet. So is it a savory smoothie? We'll find out. So let's start making this smoothie. The directions say to use the single serving blending cup. This is a 20-ounce cup. I'm putting in 1 cup, 130 grams of ice cubes. And somehow all of my ingredients are supposed to fit in there. We shall see. 1/8 teaspoon of ground black pepper. 1/2 ripe avocado. I need to open an avocado here. And these are ripe. Beautiful. Okay, I'll save that half and eat that afterwards. Put the avocado in there. Okay, make sure I got it all in there. Now, 2 cups, 240 grams of chopped cucumber. How am I going to get that in there? It's supposed to all fit in this thing. Well, that's the solids. Maybe the ice cubes should have been crushed. Okay, 1 teaspoon of fresh lime zest. That doesn't take up much room. And then finally some liquid. 4 tablespoons of water. And then 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice. And then I have to put this on. This is the blending blade attachment. All right, that's going to go onto my blender. Okay, the directions say to start at variable 1, the first speed. Start the machine, slowly increase to its highest speed, and blend for 45 seconds. So there it is, 45 seconds. All right, take this blade assembly off. First taste here. Stainless steel straw. Looks smooth, it's green. All right, it is definitely not sweet. Let's call it a cucumber salad in a cup. I can't drink with my straw out of that because it isn't long enough. I mean, it'll give me a little bit of straw above the top, so I'm going to pour this into a glass for myself. This is probably going to give me more than enough to fill that glass. A little bit left over in the bottom, not much though. Okay, let's drink this avocado, cucumber, and lime smoothie. I'm adventurous sometimes. I'll try almost anything. So here goes. You know, it's not bad. It's not going to go down as my favorite. I like sweeter smoothies, but It's not bad. You know, that would be refreshing on a hot summer day. I can imagine sitting outside in a lawn chair, drinking a smoothie like this. Especially with lunch, because this would be my salad. Okay, excuse me. I'm going to go enjoy my smoothie.